All right, earlier Dan was talking about street level mapping and how much easier it makes you to really locate where the storm is. I've kind of given us a different version of this here. We're at about 132nd and Blondo. Champions up here, Eagle Run Golf Course over on this side. Again, 132nd Street. The storm originating, and again, we had reports even south of here and west here, back by Boys Town at around even 132nd Center, depending on the vantage point. Very light touchdown here originally. Once it made it to the ground, we're talking EF0 winds, generally what we would get with a severe thunderstorm, kind of that 50 to 80 mile per hour range. The strength of this seemed to be just to the south, the intersection of 132nd Blondo, right here, EF1, and I'll kind of get into that a little bit more, what that means. Also, it picked back up and kind of weakened here, finally lifting up around 132nd Lake, and then there looks to be a second touchdown very briefly between Maple and Fort, kind of in the same area. But the damage path from the Weather Service says that's a little less easy to kind of figure out exactly where the path is. So they may, in fact, still yet send survey teams out there this afternoon. All right, what exactly EF1 means? The kind of damage is going to be moderate here. We're talking about winds 86 to about 110 miles per hour. The estimate with this was right there on the low end, about 86 or 87 miles per hour. And this tornado animation actually did kind of what we saw. It kind of bobbed and weaved up the 132nd, crisscrossed the road a couple times, and then lifted back up. So that's what EF1. It's extended for at least 3 seconds of that speed. And again, we were talking probably 86, 87 miles per hour. So it's a low EF1, and a majority of the time for the few minutes there, it was EF0. I was on the ground for about 7 or 8 blocks, according to the Weather Service. It was only about 50 yards wide. Sometimes we talk about these being a mile wide. This was half a football, so it was a relatively weak tornado. And moderate damage. We had some tree damage if you check out their website as well. So that's kind of the nuts and bolts of what was a very active thunderstorm yesterday. We've still got the clouds today, but we're a lot more stable. 49 with the northwest wind at 13. Everybody very consistent, mid-40s to low 50s. We've actually seen a few more 50-degree readings pop up here now. Lincoln, one of those spots, currently at 51. All right, areas that got a lot of rain, 1 to 3 inches of rain out here over northwest Omaha as those strong to severe thunderstorms continue to expand. Just clouds today. We had some light rain and drizzle this morning, but you can see we're socked in with the clouds, and it's probably going to be the case even in advance of our next weather maker, which will likely bring rain back in for the start of the weekend. In fact, we'll track it here together on Futurecast. There are the clouds. Notice temperatures dip in the mid-40s tonight, even low 40s in some spots, including lows here in the metro on the chilly side. I still think we're dry tomorrow morning. The showers just off the map back to the south and west, and then we'll become fair game tomorrow afternoon and evening. There's the first little wave of rain. Watch what happens later Friday night and Saturday, though. Another round of showers and heavy storms. Look at all this rain coming up. So get ready for kind of a wash Saturday. Fortunately, the severe weather prospects look low, but again, we may be talking about some isolated flooding. As you can see, amounts still expected to be in that 1 to 2 inch category. So for today, again, just clouds. Morning showers have dissipated. 57 the expected high with light northwest winds. Cool tonight will drop to about 45. Outline areas even a little bit cooler than that. And then our forecast for tomorrow, showers return especially in the afternoon, more so late tomorrow night and Saturday. I think that's our best chance, about 90%. I'm pretty confident we're going to see rain. And then lingering showers on Sunday at 59, so a cool stretch. Sunday, I believe, is May 1st. Is that correct? I believe so. Okay, yeah, because April's another short month with 30 days. And I just want to check with my much more intelligent anchors here, make sure I'm on the right path. And then showers diminish as we warm up a little bit here on Wednesday. And a reminder, we've been talking a lot about this week. You can download Storm Shield to your smartphone. Again, great weather app to have. Deanne, we were talking about this yesterday. A lot of warning. You can even get the map down to street level on that with that radar. So it's a great tool to have. We got a lot of spring potential left ahead of us with the weather here.
Yes, we do, Ryan. Thanks so much.